Hi students. As I told you before, I have shared you the video. Okay. So in that, I have already explained expansion of a plus b the whole cube. Here you can see a minus b the whole cube. But in that video, I have explained you how to do the expansion for a plus b the whole cube. But in the last live lecture, I was not able to explain you that. But in that video, I have showed you. Okay. So please go through that, so it will be easy for you for this sum. Okay, that is a plus b the whole cube, and now I am going to explain you a minus b the whole cube. So if you go through that video, it will be easier for you to understand. Okay. So now we are continuing with this. So here you can see we are going to do expansion of a minus b the whole cube. A minus b the whole cube is equal to a minus b, a minus b, a minus b 3 times, and again that is equal to a minus b 1 time, then a minus b the whole square. Okay, this is expanded, or it is bifurcated to this form. Now we are going to put the formula, and we are expanding it again. Okay, so that we will get a formula. Now this is same as previous one, that is a plus b the whole cube. Only change or different is the sign. Here it is a minus b the whole cube. Now we will see with an example. Not example, I'll just show you how we can expand this a minus b the whole cube is equal to a minus b and a minus b the whole square, a minus b, and we will be putting the formula of a minus b the whole square, which we have seen in the initial stage of this chapter. Okay, a plus b the whole square, a minus b the whole square, we have seen the formula for it. So we are putting the formula of a minus b the whole square over here. So that will be a square minus 2ab plus b square. Now we will going to do the formula for a square minus b square. That formula we are going to use over here. I'm sorry, not a square minus b square. That will be x plus a and x plus b. That formula we are going to do over here. So this bracket will be multiplied with this bracket. So that will be a multiplied with a square minus 2ab plus b square minus b, again multiply with the second bracket, a square minus 2ab plus b square. We have solved this. A into a square is a cube minus 2 into 2ab into a is 2a square. A into a is a square. 2a square b plus a into b square is ab square minus, here it is minus, a square into b is a square b plus, why it is plus, minus into minus is plus. Okay, so once bracket is open, minus into minus is plus. 2 into 2ab into b is 2ab square minus into plus is minus. Okay, minus b square into b is b cube. I'm sorry, b cube. Okay, is equal to a cube minus 3a square b. Now minus 2a square b minus a square b. Minus into minus is plus. So we will be adding it. Okay, so 2 plus 1. Whenever there is no number over here, that means by default it is 1. So minus 2 and minus 1 will be minus 3. Okay, 2 plus 1 is 3 and sign is minus. But minus into minus is plus, because of that we are adding both the thing. Okay, so minus 3a square b plus, again plus ab square and plus 2ab square, again plus 1 plus 2. So plus 3ab square minus b cube. Okay, why minus? Because minus into plus is minus. So minus b cube. So a minus b the whole cube. If you are getting any sum like a minus b the whole cube, the formula will be used a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. This is the formula when you will get this type of sum. This will be the formula. Okay, and for a plus b the whole cube I have shown you in the last video which I have given the link. Okay, please go through it. So only changes will be in that a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b square. Everywhere it will be plus if the question is a plus b the whole cube, and now here it is a minus b the whole cube. So you will be getting this one, and the sign minus sign will be in the initial, and the last there will be minus, and in the middle it will be plus. Okay, now we are going to see the example of it. Okay, now we will see the example of this. Okay, now this is the example for you. 4p minus 5p the whole cube. So the formula is a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. So here this is a, 4p is a, and 5q is b. Okay, now we will expand it. A cube is 4p cube minus 3 will be outside. A square is 4p square. 4p square. Okay, square should be outside the bracket. And b is 5q. So 3ab square, 3a square b, that is 3 4p the whole square and 5q plus 3 4p into 5q the whole square, that is ab square, minus 5q cube b cube. Okay, now 4p the whole cube is 4 into 4 into 4 is 64p cube minus, keep 3 outside only. We will first solve which is in the bracket, so that there won't be any confusion while you are solving any big problem. Okay, any solution, any problem solution is there, you have to solve first in the bracket, then multiply with the outside one. Otherwise everything you will do together, there will be a confusion and you won't get you won't get right answer. Okay, so now 4 raised to square, so 4 into 4 is 16. 16 p square, p into p is p square. 5q plus, again keep 3 outside only, 4p. 5 into 5 is 25 q square minus 5 cube. 5 into 5 into 5 is 125 q cube. Okay, now 64 p cube minus 3, keep it outside only, 16 into 5 is 80 p square cube. Okay, p square cube. We are multiplying this both. 16 into 5 is 80 p square cube plus 3 outside again, 4 into 25 is 100 p q square minus 125 q cube. 64 p cube minus 80 into 3. Now we are multiplying with 3. 80 into 3 is 240 p square cube plus 3 into 100 is 300 pq square minus 125 q cube. Now we got the answer for 4p minus 5q the whole cube. We got the answer this, and the formula is used a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Okay, now we saw how to solve a minus b the whole cube with an example. Okay, so now we are moving into next part. It's a different simplification, but the formulas are used the same. So here it is the combination of a plus b the whole cube and a minus b the whole cube. So we are going to solve both in one sum. So now this is p plus q the whole cube plus p minus q the whole cube. We'll be using direct formula, that is a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube for p plus q cube, and for this formula is a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Okay, now we are going to solve this in a square bracket. P cube plus 3p square cube plus 3p square plus q cube, square bracket close, plus again square bracket open, p cube minus 3p square cube plus 3p square minus q cube, again square bracket close. Now we will solve this. P cube plus 3p square cube plus 3pq square plus q cube plus, now the bracket is opening over here, so signs will be changing. The sign will change. So p plus p cube, plus into minus is again minus, minus 3p square cube, plus into plus is 3p square, 3p q square, plus into minus is minus, so minus q cube. Okay, and now see p cube, and here it is plus p cube, so that is 1 plus 1 is 2p cube plus 3p square cube and minus 3p square cube. So plus and minus is minus, so we have cancelled this. Plus 3pq square plus 3pq square, here it is plus 3pq square, so plus into plus is plus, so 3 plus 3 is 6p square. Here plus q cube minus q cube, so plus into minus is minus, so we have cancelled this. So answer we got 2p cube plus 6p square. I hope you understood this, and now we will see with an example. Okay, so now we are going to see with an example. So here you can see 2x plus 3y the whole cube minus 2x minus 3y the whole cube. The formulas used: a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube for the first part, a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube for the second part. Now always whenever you have a big sum and if there are brackets included, so you have to put the square bracket first and inside the other bracket. Okay, so now 2x cube plus 3 into 2x the whole square into 3y plus 3 into 2x into 3y the whole square plus 3y the whole cube. That means a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube, square bracket close, minus again square bracket open, 2x the whole cube minus 3 into a square b, that is 2x the whole square into 3y plus 3 into 2x into 3y the whole square minus 3y the whole cube, that is a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Now we are solving it again further. So 2 cube is 8x cube. 2 into 2 into 2 is 8. 8x cube plus, keep 3 outside only, 2 raised to 2. 2 into 2 is 4. 4x square, the bracket is open, so x square into 3y plus, again keep 3 outside, 2x, 3 into 3 is 9, 9y square plus 3 into 3 into 3, that is 27y cube. Okay, square bracket close, minus, again open square bracket, again 2 raised to 3 is 8x cube minus, keep 3 outside, 2 raised to 2 is 4, 4x square into 3y plus 3, keep 3 outside again, 2x, 3 into 3 is 9y square minus 3 into 3 into 3 is 27y cube. 8x cube plus, keep 3 outside, 4 into 3 is 12x square y. We are multiplying this. 4 into 3 is 12x square y. Okay. So 3 in bracket 12x square y plus, again 9 into 2 is 18. 3 outside, 18. 18xy square. Okay, 18xy square plus 27y cube minus, square bracket open, 8x cube minus 4 into 3, 12, 12x square, 3 outside the bracket, 12x square y plus 3 outside the bracket, 2 into 9 is 18xy square minus 27y cube. Now we are opening the brackets. 8x cube plus 12 into 3 is 36x square y plus 18 into 3 is 54xy square plus 27y cube minus 8x cube. Okay, minus into minus is plus, plus 12 into 3 is 36x square y, minus into plus is minus, 18 into 3 is 54, 54xy square, minus into minus is plus 27y cube. Now 8x cube and minus 8x cube will 0. So we will cancel that. 36x square y plus 36x square y. So we are adding it. We will get 72x square y plus 54xy square and minus 54xy square is 0. So we will cancel it. Plus 27y cube plus 27y cube, that is adding it. So 27 plus 27 is 54. So 72x square y plus 27 plus 27 is 54, 54y cube. So you got the answer for 2x plus 3y the whole cube minus 2x minus 3y the whole cube. You got the answer 72x square y plus 54y cube. Okay, I hope you understood this, but you have to go through this, and this is a big sum and two formulas. Formulas are almost same, but only the difference is sign. So you have to play with the sign. So whenever you are opening the bracket or putting the bracket, you have to take care of the sign. If you won't take care of the sign, you will get a wrong answer. Okay, so always whenever you are solving this kind of sum, please take care of the sign and check 2 to 3 times whether it is right or wrong. If there is any you have multiplied cube, you have multiplied the number in 3 times or 2 times, whatever it is. Okay, I hope you understood this. Now we will move further and go through this once more. Okay, now we are moving to next expansion form, that is a plus b plus c the whole square. Okay, now this is a new one. Now we will see how it is expanded, and whatever the answer we are getting for this, that will be the formula for these kind of sums. So that is a plus b plus c the whole square is equal to a plus b plus c into a plus b plus c Okay, now we will multiply this bracket with this bracket, how we have done previously. So a into a plus b plus c plus b into a plus b plus c plus c into a plus b plus c. A into a is a square plus a into b is ab plus a into c is ac plus b into a is again ab or ba, however you can write, but ab will be easy to understand. B into b is b square plus b into c is bc plus c into a is ac plus b into c is bc plus c into c is c square. Now you see a square plus ab, here ab and 1 ab. So 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 ab. Okay. AC, and here you can see one more AC. So 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 AC. Okay. 2 AC plus b square plus bc and bc, 2 bc plus c square. So answer will be a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2ac plus 2bc. So we will form it. That will be a plus b plus c the whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ac. So that is a form ab, bc and ac. If you write 2ab then 2ac, then that will be little bit confusing. So whenever you are writing, write in a proper way. Okay, so that will be a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ac. This is the formula which we are going to use further. Okay, now we will go ahead and see with an example. So here is the example: 2p plus q plus 5 the whole square. So the formula is a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ac. Okay, this is the formula. Now we will expand as per this. A is 2p, b is q and c is 5. So formula, by using this formula, 2p the whole square plus q the whole square plus 5 the whole square plus 2 into 2p into q plus 2 into q into 5 plus 2 into 2p into 5. So have you got this? 2ab is 2 outside and a is 2p, b is q plus 2bc, again 2 outside, b is q, c is 5 plus 2ac, 2 is outside, a is 2p, c is 5. Okay, now 2p the whole square is 4p square, q square plus 5 into 5, 5 square is 25 plus 2 into 2 is 4, 4pq plus 2 into q into 5. So 5 into 2 is 10, 10q plus 2 into 5 is 10, 10 into 2 is 20, 20p. Now we will just form it: 4p square, q square, then the bigger is 4pq plus 20p plus 10q plus 25. So this is an order. Okay, this is an example, so go through it, you will understand how it is. Okay, now we will move to some other simplification. Again we did earlier also the last expansion form, combination of two groups. So in one it will be, in one form that will be plus, and in other group it will be a minus. So that we are going to see ahead. Okay, so now simplification, we will see simplification for this sum. Here you can see two groups are there, L plus 2m plus n the whole square plus L minus 2m plus n the whole square. So here you can see the difference is here it is minus. The formula which we are going to use is for this one a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ac, and for this a square plus b square plus c square minus 2ab minus 2bc plus 2ac. So whenever you are getting minus in the sum, first you try to use the formula and do the problem. Okay, so you will get where to put the minus sign. Okay, so now we are going to simplify it by using these two formula. This bracket is expanded, L square, L the whole square plus 2m the whole square plus n the whole square plus 2 into L into 2m plus 2 into 2m into n plus 2 into L into n. You know how it is expanded by using this formula which we have seen in the last expansion form. Nothing different. Now plus, so whenever there is two group you have to put the square bracket, then plus, again square bracket open. Now this bracket we have to expand, L square plus 2m the whole square plus n the whole square. Now here minus 2ab, so minus 2, a is L, b is 2m. Okay, minus 2ab, 2 minus 2 in bracket L and 2m, minus 2bc, minus 2, b is 2m, c is n. Okay, n plus 2ac, so 2, a is L, c is n. Now we are solving this bracket. L square plus 2 raised to 2 is 4, 4 m square plus n square plus 2 into 2 is 4, 4 lm plus 2 into 2 is 4 mn, 4 mn plus 2 into ln, 2 ln plus this bracket. Now we are going to open these brackets. L square plus 2 raised to 2 is 4, 4m square plus n square minus 2 into 2 is 4, 4 lm plus 2 into 2 is 4, 4 mn plus 2 ln. Okay, minus 4, sorry, over here L square plus 4m square plus n square minus 2 into 2 is 4 lm minus 2 into 2 is 4 mn plus 2 ln. Now we are going to open this square bracket. So once this square bracket is going to open, then you have to check whether there is a change of sign. L square plus 4m square plus n square plus 4 lm plus 4 mn plus 2 ln. Here, till here it is proper. Plus, now bracket is open, plus L square plus into plus is 4m square plus into plus is again n square plus into minus is minus. Okay, plus into minus is minus, so minus 4 lm plus into plus is, sorry, plus into minus is again minus, so minus 4m n plus into plus is plus 2 ln. Okay, so now here L square plus L square is 2L square, L square plus 2 L square is 2L square, 4m square plus 4m square is plus 8m square, n square plus n square is 2n square plus 4lm minus 4lm is 0. Plus into minus is minus. So here it is cancelled. Okay. Plus 4mn minus 4mn. Again plus minus is minus. This is, sorry, this is cancelled. 2ln plus 2ln is 4ln. Okay. 2ln plus 2ln is 4ln. So this is your answer. 2l square plus 8m square plus 2n square plus 4ln. I hope you understood this. Okay, now we will be giving you sums to solve. So you just solve that sum and show it. Okay. As I told you before, see over here, a minus b plus c square. If there is a minus sign, so I am showing you how it is solved. Again a minus b plus c, one bracket, and second a minus b plus c. We have multiplied this bracket with this bracket. A multiplied by a minus b plus c, minus b multiplied by a minus b plus c, plus c multiplied by a minus b plus c. A into a is a square, minus a into b is ab, plus ac minus ab. Minus into minus is plus, b square, minus into plus is minus, bc, plus ac, plus into minus is minus, b into c is bc minus bc, plus c into c is c square. A square, now minus ab and minus ab. So minus into minus is plus. So minus 2ab. Okay. Sign is minus only, but minus into minus is plus. So we have to sum it. We have to add it. So by default there is 1. So a minus ab into minus ab is minus 2ab, plus ac is 2ac, plus b square, minus bc into minus bc is minus 2bc, plus c square. Now we will order it. We will make it in our order. A square plus b square plus c square, minus 2ab, minus 2bc, plus 2ac. Okay, ab, bc, ac. It will be like that. So you have to order it. So a square plus b square plus c square, minus 2ab minus 2bc plus 2ac. So this formula is used. Okay, so whenever you are getting any sum like this, you have to check properly where is the sign and how we have to multiply, where we have to multiply, how we have to open the bracket. When opening the bracket, sign is getting changed, sign is going to change. So wherever you have to multiply, minus into minus is plus, put the sign of greater number. This thing you have to remember always. Okay, I hope you all understood this, and if there is any queries, please let me know, and you go through this video. It will be easier for you to understand. Okay, thank you students. Have a great day.